Hey everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most innovative Excel tools out there. Today, like most weeks, we're trying to I want to showcase a brand new product that one of our customers asked for, and I felt it would be a great product to put out there for anybody that can use it. Which is a product that allows the user to convert latitudes and longitudes to addresses. Kind of we call this the reverse geocoding tool, right? So let me kind of show you how it works. As all of our tools, it's built in Excel. There is nothing to install. It uses the power of Excel combined with Excel or with Google Maps API. In this case, we're using the geocoding API. I do have a video, you can click on the description on how to set up the Google Maps API, so it'll be a conversation for another video. But in this case, right now, once we've done that, we paste our API key here, which you've already generated, and the task that we're trying to do right now is to convert these latitudes and longitudes to full USPS addresses. So again, kind of going in here, we might have some latitudes and longitudes that maybe there's some program generated for us and we're trying to convert those to addresses. All we got to do is paste latitudes and longitudes in the first two columns of the tool and then click on the conveniently located Run button. As you can see, the tool will automatically generate the street, city, state, and zip codes. So the full addresses for these geocodes, and it's really as easy as that. You can do this for 20 geocodes or longitudes or latitudes and longitudes, or you can do it for 200 or 20,000. The tool will work for all of them. You can download the tool by clicking on the link in the description. Let me know if I can assist with anything else. Also my phone number and email will be there. Again, my name is Vinny with Excel Distance Calculators. Thank you for watching, and until next time.